Hi, how's it going, everybody? This is Ryan from STRUMfast Music, and today we're going to be going over Elastic Audio inside of Pro Tools 8. Elastic Audio is awesome. It basically fixes every musician that plays live while recording and everything like that. I personally have never worked with an artist that can play perfectly 100% in time, and this is what Elastic Audio allows you to do. Is basically just move some waveforms around to make sure it's 100% in time. There's always going to be, one or two of those strums or snare hits that's a little before or after the tempo, and this is what Elastic Audio does. So the first things first, you want to select the region of audio that you want to apply Elastic Audio to. And in case we're going to be working with this guy right here, it's just a little guitar track that I recorded a while ago. And the first thing you have to do is apply Elastic Audio to this region. And to do that, all you do is click on this guy right here in your track, and then this dialog box will come up. Pro Tools gives you about 4 or 5 different Elastic Audio options, and basically the difference between all these is how Pro Tools processes the audio. Polyphonic is for more complicated waveforms. Rhythmic and monophonic are for very simple waveforms like simple snare hits or kick hits or something like that. Basically waveforms where there's not a lot going on. But right now we're going to hit polyphonic. Polyphonic is, like I said, is for more complicated waveforms. So what we've done is we've enabled Elastic Audio. Nothing's actually been changed to the track here yet, because we have to actually come over here back to the track and change what we're actually looking at. So right now we're just in the waveform mode, and we're going to first go into analysis. And when we do that, you see Pro Tools has rendered some analysis markers inside of the region to basically give us a starting point. And where Pro Tools automatically generates analysis markers where it thinks that the main beats are in your region. Now you can add audio markers if Pro Tools hasn't done it correctly for you. You just click right here, add event marker, and it'll pop up. You know what I mean? We don't really need to do that right now, so I'm not going to. You can also click and drag these wherever you like if you want to move them. But I'm pretty happy with where these are. So the next step we're going to do is come back over here to the analysis drop down and hit warp. Okay, now what this did was it basically, now it's enabling us, when we move these audio markers, it's going to change the whole waveform. It's not just moving these markers anymore. So now when you move this, it's going to change the audio. Okay? Now if you just click and drag on any one of these markers, it's going to change the entire region. If you notice, when we move this, the whole track gets longer. That's good for some cases, but we really don't want that in this case. In this case, we just want to move a little section of audio, and the example we're going to be working with today is right here. You can see this analysis marker is a little farther back from the grid. I don't know if you guys can really see the grid, but there's a grid line right here. And what we're going to want to do is move this guy right here back about, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch. And to do this, what you have to do is hold Shift, click on the analysis marker, and drag. Actually, let me put it back in the grid mode. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, so hold Shift, click, and drag, and it'll automatically snap to the grid. And now you'll see that when you hold down Shift and you select a marker, Pro Tools will automatically also select these 2 on each side of the marker that you selected. Now these won't move, but usually when you move one marker, you might have to adjust the other one. In this case, we're pretty good. Everything lines up very well. You might want to move this guy back a little bit. There we go. Same thing with this one. And you can do this basically with your whole region. It's a very, very handy tool. Alright guys, so I hope this was helpful. Congratulations, now you can all play in perfect time. Have a good one, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, comments, or requests, feel free to hit us up on YouTube. Check our website out, www.strumfastmusic.com, and let us know what you want to hear, guys. Have a good one.